Leftover money on your Thomas Cook Forex card? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer that balance back to your bank account. Quick and easy. First, visit the nearest Thomas Cook branch or the location where you bought the card. You'll need to carry a valid ID, your Forex card, and bank account details where you want the funds transferred. At the counter, let them know you want to encash or withdraw the remaining balance. Fill out the encashment form and provide your account number and IFSC code if you're doing a bank transfer. Thomas Cook will verify the card balance and charge a small processing fee. Once confirmed, they'll either give you cash on the spot or transfer the money directly to your bank account, which may take 1 to 2 business days. Note: some cards also allow withdrawal at ATMs, but for full balance transfers, the branch method is more reliable and cost-effective. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel and money tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.